Hello guys and welcome to another episode. I'm making this video because I want to showcase to you the progress of the Revell Porsche 928. So I painted the body. I chose this tomato red color, and I'm going to make a two-tone color, so I chose this glossy tomato red color, and the secondary color will be made black. So this is how it's now, the hood and the body. So during this progress I saw some stuff about this build. I'm like halfway done. The one thing that I've noticed is that the glass surface does not fit entirely well. It is a bit difficult to place it. This is one thing that I've noticed. I'm gonna fix this error, but I'm pointing out just for you to know. So second thing is that it had only one mirror, and I didn't like it. The mirror was very realistic. It was the exact copy, exact replica of the real mirror of the car, but it was only one mirror. So anyway, I chose these mirrors here. They are from an Audi R8, and I also paint them matte black. As you can see, I think that they look nice, and also the front and the rear pieces, they are also painted black, so it's gonna look very nice and sporty. The glass surfaces and basically all the lighting, front and rear, they have this smoke effect. They are tinted, and that is something that I didn't like for the stock model. For my build, because I'm gonna make it a sporty version, it looks okay, but if I wanted to make like a stock silver color or beige or blue or whatever, to make it look like it is stock from the factory, the tinted transparent surfaces are not very good match for a classic car. I know that in some versions of those cars the surfaces were tinted, but here we do not have the same effect. But anyway, for me I think it will work okay. I also did the wipers chrome with black, and all the rubber pieces around the oops, that wasn't glued very well. I will fix it again. Anyway, around the windows I painted black paint to look like it's rubber pieces, and also I painted the cover of the sunroof, which is removable, and I painted the wheels gold color. This is the progress I've done with the inner body. Another thing that I've noticed is that the stickers have problem and they don't glue on the surface. I have to use glue to glue them. So that's another negative thing. All in all, it looks okay. The wheels are also look good, and the engine. When you're done with the engine, you place it underneath from the car, and you take it from underneath the car and you place it inside here. So there is a piece of plastic that hits and doesn't let you to place the engine. So better to place the engine and then place the axle, and not do it as the instructions said, because the instructions said to glue the axle on the engine and then place the whole system. But it's very difficult to do it like this. Better to place the engine and then glue the axle. So that's the most of the things that I have to say. One, the glass surfaces are not very good engineered, so it's not easy to place them. The glass surfaces are tinted. The water transfer stickers are not sticky enough. They don't glue on the surface. And also this thing here with the instruction manual when you place the engine on the chassis. So that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful. As always, thank you for watching, and until the next time, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.